know you make me float, float, boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Vibes with Tiara. So yes, y'all, today is Vlogmas day 9. And this vlog is not gonna be a Christmas themed vlog. Does it always have to be Christmas themed just because I'm doing Vlogmas? If so, here's the Christmas tree. I'm doing it in front of the Christmas tree, so there go your Christmas. But yes, Vlogmas day 9. Me and my husband were going to the gun range. My son said that he didn't want to go, so he's going to stay home and play the game like he wants to. So yeah, Vlogmas day 9. We're going to the gun range. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure your post bell notifications is on, so every time that I post, you are notified. And y'all, I'm going to go ahead and finish getting dressed. We are at the gun range. Calabas.
I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can call my own. Tell me that it's you, you, you. What you wanna do, you can be my teacher, I'll do homework. You can give me extra credit, baby, I'll do more. What you wanna do. Now it's me and you.
Baby, shoot in the circle in the middle, in his chest. Then he's showing out. They're good.
I was trying to didn't work out that way. I was trying to make a smile.
Put your finger on the trigger till you're ready to shoot, but you gotta pull it up.
So, am I supposed to line the dye up? Am I supposed to line it up with that? And the red's supposed to be like on the tip?
Laser on?
Yeah, I'll keep it on. This right here?
Yeah, you gotta wrap it back like you mean it though. You can't pull it like it's... There you go. start the short video. That's it? It's done?
Yeah, I think that's it.
Take it out, make sure.
This. Yeah.
Say words.
Shoot that shit.
It's dirty.
Huh?
It's dirty, I ain't cleaned it since I had it.
The gun? They give you something to do.
I don't know if that laser is not, it's not right, I don't know. Have to adjust it. Shoot, I tell you. No. Shaky as hell.
I'm scared.
Seven at the bottom. Seven on the left. Seven, Far left. Too far left. Seven on the right. That's 8. I don't got that many bullets in there.
Like
8 at the top. 7 at the top.
don't me like that.
I'm sorry. 7 at the top. Nope. Nope. 8 at the bottom. Nope. That's the last one. Oh, you did hit it.
Yeah.
Sorry.
You still got one left.
That's my go home bullets.
Oh, okay. Did it.
Always have fun every now and then.
Can't see you.
I like being blurry.
No, go unblur you. We had fun.